the 2008 Ford F-250. With just over 40,000 miles on the odometer, this pre-owned model still has plenty of miles remaining as reliable transportation. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include leather upholstery, power front seats, front fog lights, a trailer hitch, and remote keyless entry. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Come down today and see this vehicle for yourself. Call now to schedule a test drive.